Meaning of our relationship as your dean, as your director for student affairs. So with that, welcome to Lyceum Northwestern University. Welcome to the Lyceum Northwestern University. So you see me around the campus, you can approach me. We also have Ma'am Sorio and Ma'am Ninita Quisa. When it comes to money matters, go to Ma'am Quisa. When it comes to your papers, when it comes to money matters, go to Ma'am Dr. Sorio. When it comes to your papers, go to Ma'am Quisa. We are the key people to help you. We're there to become your fathers, your mothers, away from home, hoping that we can understand each other well. The good thing of coming up with a very good relationship is communication. Communicate to us so that you can understand, so we communicate with you. So welcome to Lyceum Northwestern University. To all our partners, welcome also. We were glad in choosing our school. And we also have, I was told that there are parents of oh yeah, so you came all the way to assist your son or your daughter?
My daughter.
Your daughter? Okay. So, don't worry, they're in good hands. Or she's in good hands.
Thank you.
So, you're seeing more? How many more years? 2, 3 years? Or if you pursue medicine here also. I would just like to tell you that one of our successful students is an Indian. He graduated cum laude in BS Bio. His name is Sanjay Mohan. He graduated on top of his class in biology, and he graduated cum laude. At the same time, he was 2-year president of the Supreme Student Council of Lyceum Northwestern University. I have very good memories and experiences and impression about you